Hello everyone. So in last lectures, I taught how to find R by using deviation taken from arithmetic mean, from assumed mean, or by using step deviation method. Now we will see how to find R by using actual data. So in last lecture, I taught R when step deviation is taken. Before that, I taught two methods. First, when deviation taken from arithmetic mean, and before that, I taught when deviation taken from assumed. So for last, when actual data is used, I am copying this formula for just explanation or to understand formula easily. So the same question we are solving, which we have solved in previous method. Okay, so as the method name is using actual data. Actual data means no deviation is required. No deviation is required means no D is required. So we will eliminate all the D's from this formula. We will eliminate all the D's from this formula. So now this formula becomes without deviation. So now the formula becomes what? This formula becomes n summation x into y. Now I am writing this formula once again in proper way. So this is summation of x into y. This is what now? Summation x. This is what? Summation y. And this is what? Summation x square, because x is left. This is what? Summation x, then whole square. This is summation y square, and this is summation y whole square. Now I will remove all these indices of previous formula. This is just for hint what we are writing. So now your formula is without deviation. So now for this formula, you need what? Summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, and then product. So first column we have already there x, second column is y. So summation of this column is considered as what? Summation x. Summation of this column is considered as what? Summation y. And then we will prepare column for x square, square of this column. And then we will prepare y square, square of this y column, and product of this x and y. This is x into y. So this is the summation of x square. This is the summation of y square, and this is the summation of x into y. Now we will put all these values in this formula. So you will see r equals to, again this is in fraction form, and there are two parts in denominator. First under root is for x and second under root is for y. So we are putting values. So n is number of pairs. In this case, again n equals to 5. So we will put n equals to 5 here, n equals to 5 here, and n equals to 5 here. Now second is summation xy. Summation xy is this 1585. So 1585 minus, this is summation x and summation y. Summation x is what? 75, and summation y is what? 90, and this denominator part multiplied by summation x square, this is 13 75 minus, this is what, summation x whole square. So summation x is this 75. So this is 75, its whole square, and this is what multiplied by summation y square, that is what, 1862. So this is 1862 minus summation y whole square. So summation y is what, 90, and we will write its whole square. So on solving, you will see value of r as 0.95. This is plus. So this is 0.95. So this r equals to 0.95. So we can say there is a strong positive correlation because of this positive symbol, and because this value near about 1, that's why this is what is strong. So this is a strong positive correlation between advertisement expenditure and sales. So I hope you understand this concept. So I have explained all these 4 methods to find R. So please subscribe my video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel, Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.